Hello, I'm Kunal, and today we are learning about how React is helping us to create and maintain web applications, how things are easy, and we are going to set up our complete React project and compare the benefits of React over than HTML, CSS, and JS. So let's start the video. First, I will show you how we can set up the React project. To set up, we need to create one folder. Like here, I am creating one folder. Let me give it name React project, React setup. Okay, so I'm opening the terminal here, and we need to go on browser, and in browser we are going to search white with dev. So it will show the official website of Vite. And while scrolling down, we will get this command of npm create with latest. So we need to copy this command. So understanding, Vite is not about the only for React. Vite is providing all the services about Vanilla JS, Vue, React, and lots of more things he is providing. So, React, we are creating React app using the Vite command because it provides some functionality. It is faster than previous React. That's why we are using the Vite. So, we need to paste that command, and after pasting we need to change that. First read the command what they have mentioned. npm create with latest means this means we are creating the with latest application, and here our application name will go. So I'm changing that my react react app. So I have given this name, and in the last template view, but we are not using view, we are using the React. That's why we need to cancel it and write React. Okay, so after that we need to run this command, and after running it will show us the select the framework. So what we are framework, which framework we are using? Is it Vanilla, Vue, or React? We are using the React. That's why go on the React using the down key. After that, click on the enter. After that, he will ask that select the variant. We are using the TypeScript or JavaScript. We are using plain JavaScript. That's why I am clicking on the JavaScript. After that, he have suggested some command that go to this directory. So cd using this command, we are going to our React project, my React app. Okay, so now you are able to see that we are in the My React app. After that, we are going to install npm install. And when we install these things, uh, focus on these things. These new things are added. These all the things create our React app. So those all the things are important, right? Here the with config package JSON. In the package JSON is really important. In package JSON, you can see that what dependency you have installed in your project. Like till now we have the React and React DOM. If we want to add any exhaust or any other Redux or Redux toolkit, we can directly go in the terminal and just type that npm I whatever our we want to install that. Okay, so after installing that, it will get added in this dependency part. I hope you got the point. And he has created the index.html. So, if you can remember that in previous video we are using the CDN link. At that time, at that time we have created one HTML file and added some React CDN links and created our React app. But now there is no need to use that CDN link because we are installing in our setup, right? So here's the index file of our React project. And in the SRC part, there are all the things like app.css, app.js. So app.js is the main part where we are writing our code. In the SRC part, we are writing our code, and app.js is the main part, and there is a main.js. So this is how all the things are integrated. And like take the example of if we want to create any app, so let's first run this command npm run dev. So you will get the idea of what project we have created. So here's our React project. We have installed it. It's working fine. Like you can see that count is increasing after clicking on the count because they have given some pre-written code of count where they have done some state management. Uh, so I hope you got the point how we are going to install the React, like we are going to set up our React app. So after that, let's focus on how React is making things simple to create project and maintaining it. So in React app, you are able to see there are for each component we can create a new file. Like let me remove this code, and we will see that how we can make the structure of basic website. So remove this pre-written code, which is not required for now, and after that, let me console some uh, hello. And like okay, it's working. So uh, React is helping us. It's easy and easy for maintaining because we are going to create new files in the React app. Like if I want header in my website, then I will create the head component, a separate component for the header. If I want to integrate footer, then I will create separate component for it. So let me show you. I'm creating one folder in the HRC components. Okay, so in that components, I'm going to create files like header, header.jasx. We are not writing the code of JS. We are not using just JavaScript. React works on the JSX code. JSX means the mixture of JavaScript and HTML. So I have one shortcut like uh, React arrow function. Read that React arrow function export component. We are creating one component. So now we have created one header component. Here we are going to pass the any value h1. Sorry, by mistakenly I write the high. Okay, so h1. This is header. Okay. So we have created this component of header. Like if we want to add anything, we will write the logic of that header part in this component only. So I want to add main body also. So let me create a file in the component body dot .jsx. Sorry. So React arrow function. So I have created a component where I am going to display this. Let me use p tag, not h1. P tag. This is body. Sorry, not p tag. I am using UH3. Okay. This is body, and I want a footer in my web page. So I'm going to create new component footer. Footer dot .jsx. React component and h1. This is footer. So this is how we have created three components: header, footer, and body. And for if we are creating one big project and we want to add new functionality or components, so we are going to directly use these components. And after creating that component, going to we are going to add this in the app.jsx, because app.jsx is our important file where all the things we are integrating. So let me import it first. Import what we have created, header from we have header from component header. Okay, it have auto suggested import. Let me import footer, and let me come. Sorry, uh, and I'm going to import body. So I have initialize all the things, like import, sorry, not initialize, I have imported all the things, and after that I'm going to display. So first we are going to header, after that we will show body, and after that we are going to show footer. So this is the flow of our website. So here you are able to see this is the header. Like if we are working on the header part, the header will look like here. This is the body and this is footer. So that's easy to create things and maintaining all the things. Like if you are facing any error in the header part, then you will not go and search all the things, all the files. Because in React, you know you have written where you have written the code of header. So you will directly come to header and find the bug. What is the error you have made while writing the code? So this thing, for maintaining and managing things, React is helpful. Sorry, React is helpful. And using React, React has some uh, hooks also, like use state, use effect, and lots of present there. And using those hooks, it making the things efficient. Like and React gets render whenever it gets whenever component gets updated. So we are using the virtual down here, and it automatically gets rendered because why after the changing. So that's how React is more efficient than HTML, CSS, and JavaScript websites. Like whenever we are writing code in the HTML, whenever we are writing the code using HTML and JavaScript, at that time we face one problem that of consistency, like keeping all the consistency over the all the pages of the website. And second thing is, if we are coding for one page and we want to reuse that code, then we need to write that all the code once again in other file. But because of this component thing, we can directly use anywhere we want or we require in our project. So this is how components are making things easy, and that's why React is one of the fastest and efficient way to create some websites. I hope you got the idea about how we can create React applications, how we can set up, and what's the importance of React over than HTML, CSS, JavaScript website. So that's it for video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.